Whew, well guys, this has been swell. The swelling's gone down. My last day here. I'm not going to film all that much today because, you know, I just want to enjoy my last day. So, I am going to go eat at Huck Catfish, and y'all will be with me during that. And yeah, let's do a little bit of filming. Yeah, so first off, I'm gonna go in here. All American Gifts. I love these. Oh my gosh. Well, I ended up getting that t-shirt with the owl on it. Now I'm gonna go into this one, $9.95 or less. Coffee mugs. Looky how cute. They're so little. I love going in these little places. And that general store has some really good looking candies in there. Whoa. I always have to stop there. They've got an upstairs too that's got all kinds of gifts and stuff. I finally found somebody using the tapping machine. Flips the taffy right out. We had to come back over here because Way wanted some bread and some taffy. So I'm back here at the old mill, and we're gonna go into the general store right over there. Oh, it's rare. It's just different, you know? And we are here at Huck Catfish, and it's already early and it's already starting to get packed. Yep, and of course they got music playing, so I'm gonna have to cut out some audio when we get inside. That's a big chicken. It's a big rocking chair too. And here is the menu. There's the lunch menu. Here is the appetizers and youngins and stuff. And there's the victuals. So let's go eat. Ooh. So, yep, you can buy a lot of stuff in here. A lot of souvenirs. So here we are. There's Huck Finn himself. Okay, now they bring you the hush puppies, the coleslaw, the beans, and onion and pickle. So yeah, let's get started on that. Okay, so when you're starting with your sides here, you don't want to get too full because there's still a whole lot to eat. But let's try this hush puppy with this coleslaw. And these are, oh, they're so crispy. Coleslaw is not too sweet, and it's not too sour. It's just right. And these are perfect. Okay. Now it's time with the beans. Beans? Oh, they're just good by themselves. I'm gonna finish these. Sweet tea. I'm telling you, you could just make a meal off of these freebies that they give you, you know, when you first come in. They automatically bring you these. You can make a meal off that. They're awesome, but you don't want to eat too much. Again, like I said, which I think we've already eaten too much. We've almost cleaned up the hush puppies. Yep, this place is getting full. Anyway, he keeps eating the beans. I'm not gonna have room for the actual meal. I think I'm gonna have to have one more little spoonful of beans. One more. Okay, there's what Way ordered. That's the grilled catfish with the Cajun seasoning and green beans. And I ordered catfish fillets, clams, and fries. So let's try this. And of course, Way had to order more hush puppies. Okay, so let's start out with a fry. Nice. Crispy. Really good. These are the clams. They're very crispy. They're just right. They're not overdone. They're not too salty. Gosh, they're good. Okay, so I'm gonna try this catfish. Let's see.
We got our food. Are we eating anything else?
Thank you. Okay. There is the catfish. That tastes exactly like my dad used to bring home when he'd go fishing, and my mom fried it up. This is really good. Good. I could not finish. Ooh. A lot of food. Way finished. I cannot finish. So we're leaving. So I'm gonna have to tell you, that was really good. Oh, those clams were, the only thing was there were some of the clams down in the bottom that were a little crispy, overly crispy. But you know, that was okay because the majority of them was really good. And yes, I've been here quite often, and I will be coming back again. So yes, Huck Finn's Catfish, I give it a 10. And here is where we are gonna part ways. I'm gonna video some in here, and then, yeah, it'll be over for us. So come on in with me. Goats on the roof. Goats on the roof. And we've got goats. Yep. It's a little goat. And they got goat soap. All kinds of stuff.
I could never find this.
And you can get the hat and the shirt. Yep. Oh. Awesome. Okay, and here's a bonus. Made one little more stop before I let you guys go and I spend my last day, you know, having fun. This is a Jamaican restaurant. Yes, and I looked it up online and it says it's open. So I would love to know if it's good. Yeah. So if anybody has ever eaten here, please let me know in the comments. But I would love to try it. But I am so full from Huck Finn's Catfish. There is no way I can. Looks like they're doing some work on the building. But looks like it's been here a long time. So what I'm doing is over here at Dunkin' getting a cup of coffee. And then I'm going to continue my last day here. And I will see you guys when I get back to Harlan and when I start hiking again. So, thank you guys for coming along with me on vacation. Love ya. See ya. Bye.